In this video, I'm sharing with you the Sumind FM transmitter. I've been using this little Bluetooth FM transmitter for the past year and a half or 2 years, and it has performed wonderfully. It is a great transmitter. If you're looking to transmit music or calls from your phone to your vehicle and you don't have built-in Bluetooth connectivity port as well. It does have a micro SD card slot, so if you load music to your micro SD card, you can simply plug it in there and listen directly off of that SD card. It does have a play pause button, which is this right here. You press on it and that plays and pauses the music. You have a volume dial, so you can set the radio volume and then just use this to increase or decrease if that's something that you want to do. You have an aux input right here, so that once again, if you don't want to use the SD card or you don't want to use Bluetooth, the aux in right there does a great job. Basic operation is just find the channel on here that you want to connect to. So for me, I do 102.3. For whatever reason, that is the channel that I chose, and so I set it to 102.3 using this, and then I set the stereo in my vehicle to 102.3 and it connects automatically. Works great. I've never had one single issue with it, and I highly recommend this little FM Bluetooth transmitter.